You know, so we got across the bridge now, across the bridge with the workshop crew, and today we got the one and only Lady JJ for the building.
Representing Becca and the girls, representing my timeless life.
Oh, not be lying,
I
not be lying.
see that.
Timeless large servicing. So you are ready to service anybody right now. Large services, right? Lady JJ. The club is here now. Timeless Lodge Service, so she's ready to render services right now. Anyway, my name is Naira B.
My name is Becca B.
So we got a few things we want just look into briefly and sharply. I just sent one to Becca just now. So this will not be like news to me, and they wonder why people they shocked, because over time, for the last, let me say, for the last 5 to 7 years, we don't turn sex to transaction. You get, we don't now transactional arrangement right now. So because of that, you don't get value. Because anything when you put price on top, if I get money, anybody fear afford that. If you get money, you fear afford that. You get me. So you don't become something when we say you don't get value again. So somebody say, I went for a party with my man, and a guy dropped, who they use iPhone will understand, and a guy dropped this to me. First time for normal house party, like normal party.
Okay.
First time experience it, didn't know things like this are happening. Waiting be the thing when the guy airdrop. Give everybody when they are airdrop, they on for them. Who is in for hookup? DM low key or let's meet outside. I'm putting on a white vintage shirt. So you know, say if you did a gathering, if you on your airdrop, you will see plenty people. So the guy select everybody when you see there. Send this screenshot of this message to them. So the guy saying they should, because you never explaining something like this. Now somebody say, what are you saying? They drop it very well inside club. Say you just day club, you the hear pom receive this file. Once you open her, you see say na message like, oh, who is in for hookup? How much for the night? Send me a message or locate me.
Even if you go for event, when no be house party and dress, maybe you go for marriage, for wedding, maybe at the reception. If you on your airdrop, you go see, say they tell you to accept. Accept message.
Accept fine.
Accept. If it be fine, if it be whatever. The moment you don't click accept, all sorts of things.
Go join enter. So they have a pass message.
So everyone get this feature now.
No, the iPhone. So this now, instead of me looking for which person get interest, may I just try out my log. So now for me to
everybody. So among everybody, where you send them to somebody
who can't get interest, you get. The only reason I believe that this girl now not get interest, maybe not be a type of job. You get me. And second, they come with him man, and they never see this kind of thing before. It's shocking. But who they used to have this thing they operate, will certainly reply back and say, okay, I'm interested. How much? 5K, 50.
But I know they short because this particular whatever, you don't they go
for a very
long time. So not be new. And I also saw one video of one particular girl where be like she and her friend go chop for one restaurant for inside Lake. I don't know if you see that video. Where another lady come meet them.
Say let's have
make them get threesome. Say
with your boyfriend.
You want make not even boyfriend, husband.
So with your husband.
Yes. Say make she come sleep with she and her husband. So they go give am 700 euros.
So that's part of the fee say this change, but because I know say it happen for real life. You remember the case when I shared with you a few back of my friend gonna go club. For along this popular club along this expressway. Now there one fine lady just meet town. Clean babe. The next thing, more they go and my friend say no. Say he want follow these people. I know say you don't know them. Now you follow them come out, only me come go out that day with my dirty eye. Only for my guy to call me early in the morning. He say, my brother, if you now merge you for my account now. How you take it? He say that people when follow and talk, say you want your husband, now they go hotel, book hotel.
So now the both of them take the wife.
I don't know how they take
one. I'll be your guy now, bye.
I don't know how they take one. I don't know that details, but cannot ask me.
No, because now you share the same. We need to know. We need to know.
No, just and the details inside, I don't know. But now waiting married people they do to spice up their marriage. They are married.
How? Well, I know say okay, I go soon join the club and this. But first of all, how having 3 people? Even like they call threesome, how that one they take spice up marriage?
Well, me, I know that I never married, so maybe they go request for
Why
that.
that, yeah?
I will ask you how that one they take a spice of marriage.
Oh, yeah, married man.
We dey in a world whereby, let's experiment, let's have fun. You get me? Like maybe the man not they do work well. So instead of the woman,
and the woman know before they marry.
You get maybe, and also maybe I just they give only that instance. If it be different instance, maybe the man not they do his work well. So instead of say, okay, woman, you go outside without my knowledge. More gotta do this thing together.
And it go be somebody where me I don't know too.
Sometimes you don't need to know. No, it's good they use neutral person.
As a neutral person, say the husband go see instead of the.
You go just see yes.
So just
now they do the selection. They feel some people when you see for club just be husband and wife. They look for person where they want pick carry house together. Yeah. So that one go come help them boost up the morale. The man first sit down. The man first sit down. They watch first while the boy they perform the work. Then when you don't finish, you come join. See, forget all this hypocrisy when most of us they portray for social media. If only you know wetin we dey do
for closed door.
For closed door. You just see we not good. Sorry, not be saying that, but like wetin we dey do we be admin mass
for
closed door.
You know say some people they get different people get different fetish.
Yeah.
The kind thing wey we say they like. Some men dey wey we say they like when they put woman feet for their mouth.
That one I go small thing.
But yeah, but now person wey be say her leg dey very very clean. They don't go just carry anybody leg.
So my guy
put for mouth.
My guy open his sex toy pickup branch. So he don dey do the business for like 3 years now. The money when the guy dey touch self and not be joke. Every time I dey with her, when is my delivery come? He dey send to Abuja to. In fact, he not get state wey no dey send to.
Yeah.
Only say that my friend, I take realize say all of us are hypocrite because if this is the body, I don't like it, so I can't wonder who be these people when they always order.
Well,
now you want like sex toy. You first test original now.
You do the main first before you go.
So when you open, where I did, so I want patronize my guy. You get me. So I can't look for the one when they say when they go, when they go press remote, and the man they control.
You know that one.
I can't buy it. Where are they buying?
So when you sit down, if I be press am, I still say na me be mommy Gio now. I press am. I will do my body like this. Like stop.
You don't be excited already. The go buy am. But there's nothing like God forbid.
I don't go buy am.
Hold on, I mean hear this. For the look for the one I want pick. You get me? That is young lady just come. He just stretch. I'm very shocked. He just stretch and where stretch and go where the BDSM kit dey. Full kit with cane, all those hook when they take the press skin and everything.
Cuff
everything there is and a full pack. I look the thing. I say, is that for you? He say, yeah. That's what I like. That's what I enjoy. I say, for somebody or for you. He said for himself. That the one where they tie the full kit, they will tie and they will want
to go do anything.
No, they
cannot do anything. Now the guy go they do whatever, flog them. Some they go even put ball for their mouth so that they cannot shout or something. Yeah.
So forget all this holy one inform us. If you know what you do for inside, I don't know. Nobody really know because now what you tell us that we go take inside house. We don't know whether you get different colors right now because. See, sorry to say, these statistics might be wrong, but 7 out of 10 Nigerians get sex toys for us.
I don't get.
Let's not, no, maybe you are part of the remaining 3, but 7 out of every 10 Nigerians gets
10 Nigerians or women or men.
No,
which one you don't
men
talk?
still get to.
And I want to ask you which
men
one.
Get to. If you see the one I see.
Now for women or men.
Hold on, me now don't get now.
I know the one where you go get. I know the one where you go get for.
Now the remote one I get.
No, that one for woman
so
now.
I don't want to gender. I just sum her off.
No R&B.
So 7.
No.
Okay, so more like this. 7 out of every Nigeria.
Wait, you they disappoint me.
Say what thing?
That one where you get now for woman now. The one for you.
For me.
You don't classify yourself say you don't get now.
No,
the one where you go dey use for yourself.
Nigerian men.
Now that one.
No, hold on. Nigerian men see they catch up. I even see the men own self.
You have a lot of catching up to do.
God, Becca.
Yes, you have a lot of catching up to do.
No, Nigerian women don't go far more than the men. If you want to talk about the use of sex toys, you get when it comes. Nigerian women don't go far more than Nigerian men. And now some of us they try catch up. I think that because of also hypocrisy, now it make us not the really But Nigerian men, because when I go there, if you see men home, even the one where you get full front and back, if you press am, it auto oil by itself.
You know, if you don't want, if you don't want start with that one, another one will be like
it be like machine.
No, you not be piece machine. Maybe like drink. Maybe like bottle.
You got zoo. You could do zoo. I see that one.
I never told you that I was a. You understand? So.
He go shock you say Becca get different variety.
No, I'm talking about the one for men. I'm not talking about women. Okay. So I get shocked. Say Baba just the.
No, I don't talk. I dey talk.
You will be outside, full outside.
I don't tell you say Nigerian men in general never catch up with the way Nigerian women don't catch up.
What I'm still saying is, you don't feel classify yourself. Say you want to put yourself because you never buy it. That's your own.
I never buy my own.
Yeah, that one you buy my own. Your wife.
No, na me buy am.
No, the one where you go use
okay, so
for your personal self.
No, why go use a personal self?
You get one where you feel use.
Why you want the advertise?
I will help you tell to be made you help you deliver am.
Why you dey mention that? Why you dey mention them now? Becca.
Hey, go on. I don't know anything to talk. I just my mouth doesn't look at. So that they describe as Becca.
No, Lady J.
So now why you notice?
You don't forget say mommy they listen.
No, but mommy don't know say I be adult now.
So you see all these things. Let me make this sex arrangement not really get value again because even if I cannot get it, I can spend money and buy these toys and have it. You get me? Now why you know someone you wake up? I don't need you. I don't need you because there's somebody taking your role or her role or his role. You get me? It's just part of life these days. But more they opening, no more not they.
Lady J, we told you one way Lady J go. No, Lady J, you don't hear about cryptic pregnancy before.
Cryptic pregnancy.
Yes.
No,
I don't get better before.
I don't hear.
No, if you don't hear, maybe don't hear up or
digital
stop.
Pregnancy.
Which one be digital?
You go collect them by Bluetooth now. They will just send them to you by Bluetooth. Say, oh, I'm pregnant.
Huh? This cover when you join, where you for meet them? I better me back.
Digital pregnancy, just turn on your Bluetooth. If you don't want to eat the belly.
Okay, like Mary,
so just turn on your Bluetooth. Okay. You want to collect, no problem.
Okay. Well, they say cryptic pregnancy. Now one guy on X, aka Twitter, the bigger Dr. Shina, don't talk about him. Say this cryptic pregnancy, they inject women wey wan get belle with hormones to make them feel like say they get belle.
Okay, I think I get you. They won't get belle, so they will give them the hormones. So when they give them those hormones, they will go be like
they not get belle just to get the feelings of belle.
They get the feelings.
They get the feeling of
yes,
but they not
get belle. So all those
what is the result?
The normal waiting the happen when person get belle.
The weight when you go get.
You feel yes, get weight, start to dey sleep, start to dey vomit, start to dey throw away spit and the rest of them. You go dey get those signs.
But
vomiting, but you no get belle.
One girl don't use am hook one guy.
Now people went before one night they do this kind of
thing. So, but
the cryptic pregnancy, they go come tell them say make them no go hospital.
Because it go show say yes.
They don't go hospital.
So the belle go big really. The belle go swell up. I mean, not just the feelings, the rest.
Not just the feeling,
the symptoms.
The symptoms of a pregnant woman. But not be say you get belle.
So
they say they tell them not to go to any other hospital apart from their own. That doctor will give them the hormone injection. Now in hospital only they fit come. You could tell the doctor go tell them say now only in scanning machine fit see the baby. And any other hospital scanning machine no go see am. Then on the day of delivery, they say they go knock them off with anesthesia. They go come go steal baby.
Now scam. I know say na the end result now.
Yeah, na scam. So those set of people, they go tell them say you get belle, but you know if they are among those people wey be say the belle dey show. You know say we don't hear so many people say I didn't know that I was pregnant
until I gave birth.
Until I just gave birth. They say most of them say na cryptic pregnancy actually be. No be say they actually get that belle. They go steal baby from another person wey
just born.
Yeah,
this thing be like wetin Nollywood dey try portray for their movie.
It happen for Nigeria.
Hold on.
Wow.
So this one not different from wetin Nollywood dey try portray sometimes when you go see somebody don look for pikin for so many years. Then friend will come tell am say no worry, you get where we fit get baby but you need to what? form say you get belle, the woman come dey pack cloth for belle, you go dey do you can't go born outside of the state or outside of the country, come bring pikin come. Now just say now the digitized way, now there's no need to form cloth. We'll give you hormones, we'll give you injection, we'll make you sure the symptoms. So everybody around you go make them believe say
you get belle.
Then last, but the end result na to carry on that person belle and person
pikin come give to you.
You get.
Yeah.
So you see, say last, why DNA test good? DNA test go stop all rubbish.
But you know what? They say
even swapping of children for hospital, you go also stop am.
You know, I remember some time back, those days of a BlackBerry, when they send broadcast up and down.
Yeah.
One man sent broadcast, he say, for all in children, he make sure say he did here as they comot the pikin from the wife belle. Because all this swapping of children, it don't dey very, very rampant. You know, so he said the last one like this, the nurse tell him say, Oga, you cannot be here. You have, he say, lie, you cannot go anywhere. Like here I dey. So say that thing nearly happened to their last pikin. So thankfully the pikin get birth mark for and he don't know time already. So when the nurse they clean up the pikin, she won't carry another pikin. He say lie that one no be our pikin. See our pikin for here.
But they say
so all that must not happen if to say the man no dey there. So it don't be like say make it be standing law say the man or relative gas you guys stronger.
But Lady J, he get one man wey talk say his life has never been the same since he witnessed the delivery of one of his child. He say since then he don't want even touch his wife again. Say because it don't affect her mentally.
Yeah, so the reason why some doctors not
because he witnessed am, he say because the woman been get tear join. He did there when everything. He say no one even touch that woman again. Say so because he don't mess up.
There are reasons why doctors don't allow the men. Some men don't get hurt, they feel collapse by the time they see or your wife will beat you or they bite you. So sometimes enough for your own good.
Yeah.
You get all your mental state self. That thing will not come up because you see everything. They will not come up for you for a very long time.
Look at him in two ways. But before I say what I want to say, R&B, you did it when your wife did born.
Yes, I did. I did that for a corridor. No, it not affect me.
I think you're a strong mind now. You get strong mind now. Person we don't move with masquerade before.
So I bet with this with this new format now, I don't know I want to advise people. So anytime person tell you say you get better, because this is just a way to scam whoever you want scam.
They say also the repeated pregnancy fit dey say but Nigeria own say na scam they use and do. And they say some couples they will say they know about them.
But they go
yes.
I mean na pregnancy,
they know, they already know. Say
they plan am.
Yeah, especially when they say that the man get problems. So there are sometimes when the man not mind to just go through all this process together. Now why not everybody go support DNA test? You get me.
Now desperation.
The other thing I want to talk on the light when you say some men no get mind. So this particular man now, anytime his wife get belle, now beat the woman. She go born every time. So the fourth belle where she gets, the wife just open up to the matron and say she don't know anything she do her husband. You too they beat her. He say, he they beat you. She say yes. Come call the man. Say, now you marry this woman. He say yes. You they happy? Say she don't give you 3 children. You won't born the 4th one. He say, I'm very happy, very very happy. So why they beat her? You know, fit talk. It's okay. You know what? You go labor with your wife. Nobody go there. No nurse go help you labor. You must labor with her. Because they say, madam, I know fit. Say, Oga, you go make labor with your wife. Now so she closed door. When the wife enter labor, come they cry self, they cry. They follow the cry. By the time the head of the pikin come out, now so the man pass out. When he come back, they come ask him, say, will you beat your wife again? He said, madam, I swear, I don't go ever touch you somebody again. That make I say sometimes it's good make some men they make them see waiting women they go through when they born pikin.
So now be the thing. Seeing waiting women they go through will change their mental state, either positively or negatively. You get me? Now why you know the most doctor they tell you no need. You feel stay outside of the place, so you get most theater self, you not get any other door, now just the front door in, front door out. You get I did speak from experience, like the one where I go enter because people the doctor be tell me say, no, I say show when my children get to I want to see the two of them. You get now follow them there when they carry out every. So please, if anybody tell you say you get better, now go like 5 different hospitals, go do tests with your bed.
No, but the people wait until they know say they know waiting they solve. They don't go.
No need. Just be like, one say let's make DNA testing mandatory. You want to know say the pikin na.
And they say most of those children, the women no fit breastfeed them because no be them.
Yes. Okay, the hormones not they affect breast milk.
No be them.
They need to upgrade them.
So just sterile and all those baby food they give those children because no be their. Yeah. All right. Before we come out, also when Nigerian police do well, we know say we will definitely talk about them. So they say the Rivers police will say they've been returned $3,000 extortion. $3,000 right now. How much is that? Do your calculation.
3,000.
$3,000 US.
That's just 3 million now. About 3 million.
Maybe dollars.
No, don't understand. 3,000. Not just say $3,000.
That's small money now. What is the 3 million? What is it? They don't talk that again.
$3,000 US.
Never say 3 million. What's all this content creator till the pop bottle for club?
So they said those Rivers State Police command say they come, return that $3,000 US where they extorted from 2 men by 3 police officers.
Wow.
Yeah. So they said the officers kidnapped and extorted that sum of money from the men.
So police are not kidnap.
Extort the money from those men.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Hey.
I say they kidnapped. So they say they don't bring them right now to the court. They will face an orderly room trial and query respectively. So the spokesperson for the command, Grace Iringe Koko Konyan, say they don't parade the suspect before newsmen for Port Harcourt for this Monday way pass. So you can't say they don't take decisive action in response to those distressing incidents which involve the unlawful abduction and extortion of 2 young men by 3 of their officers. They mentioned their name: ASP Taubora Edon Yabo, ASP Talent Mongo, and Inspector Ode Michael. So the victims were arrested in Abia, taken to Delta, Bayelsa, and Rivers State respectively for the alleged fraud by yet to be seen compliance.
Yeah.
So I think this explains, especially when police carry you, they don't carry you go police station, they carry you a cop and actually kidnapping. That's can be classified as kidnapping.
Yeah.
If they carry you along, they put you for because they carry you a cop and down.
Yes. Your wish now, and they unlawful.
Because if for just enter motor put you, call the waka, it's not kidnapping be that. So you dey free to shout kidnappers on uniform. Make for save you get.
So orderly room trial I say, look, it no be normal court now, just within the.
Now within the police force, that's the
question. But they say they don't return the $3,000 already.
No, that 3,000. That's equivalent of 3 million.
So they don't,
Lady J, you and these dollars.
They don't pinch small to give them as reward.
I don't understand.
People steal money, but return money with them. Your way don't pay. If you ever come up for any political position, I go dabaru your results.
Get that.